Yo, good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this YouTube video. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about weekly backtesting. Okay, so basically I have a series of backtesting or how to backtest on our YouTube playlist. So if you go over to our channel, to this channel, okay, you move to the playlist side, you'll actually see what a playlist of how to backtest. You can start from there to learn and understand. That is basically the ideology most times that makes stuff what easy. You understand when you look into a week or the past week of trading. Basically, backtesting from the current price action is more ideal than backtesting from years ago. Although years ago is also like let's say the US 10 years yield, 5 years, all those stuff. It also gives confluence or seasonal tendencies, you understand. The all what give confluence to the market actually, but like focusing on the previous week or the past week price action, you understand, it also makes a very great sense. So looking at this is EURUSD on the daily chart, daily time frame. Okay, so most times to make everything very easy, you just have to pull out your vertical line. Okay, you just have to start from the Monday of the week. So we'll just move to this Monday of last week. Now Monday, so the same you do it just on the daily chart. You understand, just read your vertical line on Monday, on Tuesday. Okay, do same on Tuesday, Wednesday, and till Friday. Actually, it's for a reason. For those that know, you understand. I've actually taught that a lot. Even in the Saunders FX channel, I do talk about it, do post it. So if you have not in our Telegram channel, do well to join our Telegram channel. Okay, the link is at the video description below. So if you also want to learn more or you have anything you want us to discuss, do well to contact me. I have my contact info at the video description also. Okay, so now move over to the 4-hour time frame. After doing our vertical lines, okay, from Monday to what, Friday. Okay, so now what are you going to mark out? So basically look at how price, these are equal lows, right? See price here forming equal lows right here. Okay, and this is what, this is the liquidity, sell side liquidity, in which price is still going to what, clear. You understand? Probably after price takes out these highs you're looking at here, this buy side liquidity. This is just another view of analysis. Okay, this is another view of, like, there are many views in trading, right? There are many things you look out for, there are many confluence, but I'm just showing this one now. So expecting price to take out this buy side liquidity. Okay, that is, this probably people that is selling early, their stop losses, or people that actually what bought from here that take profits. Okay, so this is a buy side liquidity, this is a sell side. So most times if you see people ruling line in their chart, some people be like, here is support, here is resistance. Everything or your methodology does not really imply or affect anything. The main focus or the main point is what, to make money from trading. So you can literally call it in your own terminologies, right? Or just make sure you're making money from the market regardless. So that is by the way. So marking out all this. So now remember, this was a what, a bullish week overall. Price closed how many weeks? So let's just check the weekly range. So from this low to this high, I want to yeah, from this around a 130 pip weekly range, not that much. Now it looks like the market is consolidating actually, because from here, this is actually last week. So you can see clearly on EURUSD is consolidating, although it's a big range, right? And you can see price actually came from where, from low here. So price is consolidating now. So probably people feel like this is a downtrend, right? Even if it's a downtrend overall, actually you see this price actually pushing up to clear out all this liquidity resting above here. So I'm believing, and I know that this liquidity up here will still be taken out before price reversing, or you choose to continue going higher or anything, you understand. So in this case right here, so here now currently backtesting. Okay, so now this is Monday, actually this is Monday window. So let's treat Monday especially. This I'm just what I was be saying is just like a another perspective or point of view. So, but let's just focus on our backtesting currently. But when you have knowledge and backtesting and your backtesting, this is all you see, and this is also what gives you what confluence. So now in Monday, I just want you to mark out the high and low of the day of Monday. So I'll be using this. I'll be using this. So this is the high of Monday. So high of Monday is around here, and the time it actually formed. Okay, time that formed the high of the day is not perfect, but if you check here, this is in the 4-hour window now. Let's zoom, or let's just move to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, for better view. Okay, this is Monday. Now, focusing on time in price action really matters also. So this is around 3 p.m. This is GMT actually, GMT time zone. Okay, GMT time zone. Okay, yeah. That's why I set my time zone to. So this here now will be around after New York open. This is 3 p.m. GMT. But this is New York session actually. So as you can see, the high of the day on Monday was formed during when? New York session. Then when was the low of the day formed? Low of the day was formed during London open. That is 8 a.m. GMT also. So 8 a.m. GMT formed the low of the day. So let's just put it that London session did what? Formed the low of the week, and New York session formed the what? High of the week on Monday. Okay? So having this context in mind now, it also brings your what expectation, and you can see as price took out the Asian range. Price actually took out the Asian, because now this is Asian consolidation. This is Sunday new opening price, and where was price actually trying to do? Price tapping into this what FVG right here. You understand? Then pushed up. So overall, you see price here breaking structure also. Price here taking out these highs. Okay, breaking structure, mitigating all these imbalances, right? Retracing, tapping into this displacement, then pushed up. So let's say we took this trade on Monday after London open. Now let me bring out my long position too. So because although I'm not really active in trading currently, but like this is just stuffs. This is the way I view my market. This is the way I view market actually, especially on EURUSD. This is the way I analyze majority of the time. So where will my stop loss be? I most times love using 20 pips stop loss, or 20 pips actually. Then how many pips was this? This was a 50 pips trade, right? So you took this trade on Monday, you're cool. How many hours did this last? You have to also take note of that. But me, most times I would have take profit immediately, took out this high. So what time did you take out that high? These are around 2, so around New York open actually. So holding from London to New York, you made your what? 50 pips. Then moving into Tuesday. Now we watch closely. When was the high of the week formed? So this is backtesting, seeing what you would have done, seeing how you would have done it, seeing what made it play out. You understand? Just that is the brain work, or that should be your main aim while backtesting. You understand? You're studying the market, how it's reacted. Then so that when you see price action, check time. Okay, this is this time. See, this is what is happening. What am I expecting? So from this particular knowledge now, you just see from what happened. Because now focusing on time on trading really matters. Okay, you really have to what? Focus on time. Time really matters. In fact, it's time before price, right? Time before price. Okay, so Tuesday was not a big range day, but as you can see, as the price movement, so the time, this was around 7, this was around 8. So just take that London session formed the high of the day, taking out these highs, then retracing. It was a consolidation. Maybe there was no high impact, or is a holiday, I think. Which day? Tuesday was okay, 4th. Okay. As you can see, this Tuesday as a whole was what? A holiday. So it's not even advisable to trade. It was US Independence Day. Okay, it was the Independence Day on US. So now you have seen it that yes, on an independent day, this is the price action. It didn't really make sense to what? Enter the market or do anything. You understand? So you have seen what happened. You check the time. Remember, I said time is crucial. Okay, so maybe this news or this move also can be a fundamental. There was a news release at that particular time that made price to what? React this way. So these are things you take down. These are things you look forward for. Okay, those are things you actually what? Focus on, right? You understand? Those are things you focus on. That is how it's actually been done. So now moving over to Wednesday. Remember, Friday was NFP. Friday was NFP, and believe me, this was an NFP move that you see right here. This, if you actually reach here now and check the time the price movement happened, you know that yes, it's not even advisable to trade London session on an NFT day. Just wait for New York, look at the price impulse or anything, you can take it if you want. But in fact, most times it's advisable just Friday NFP, you still just stay out. Once we reach there, we might also learn more or see why we should have stayed out, or why we should have what entered the market on Friday during what NFP. So let's proceed. Now here on Wednesday, you can see the choppy price action with the remains, that is after the holiday. But price now moving lower, checking, moving, going to this liquidity pool. So as price took it out, price started pushing up again. Took out this high, retraced down on Thursday. So I believe focusing on Thursday price action is also ideal that led to this Friday movement. So you mark out the high, which is this high. Which time did it form? Around London, New York session. This is 13. This is 1 p.m. This is just New York open. Then the low around 3. So this should be a news impasse. This should be a news impasse that actually caused this price to move back to Asian lows. This was, yeah, you understand, to take out the Asian lows and more. So this is just a choppy price action that most times if you see some imp news, you just have to stay out. So more of this discussion, more of this teaching in depth will be actually going on the Sundays FX VIP mentorship group, because today is Sunday, and every Sunday by 8 p.m. GMT, we do have a discussion, you understand, we do have meetings in a VIP group. So today I will be elaborating further and discussing more and what we are anticipating for next week. So overall, generally here now, you can see that moving over to the daily, what is our big take on this current price action? We'll see that Thursday formed the low of the week and Friday formed the high of the week. So from my knowledge of backtesting and everything, when Thursday forms the low and Friday forms the high of the week, it just tells me that the next week will be a reversal. It's not like it's what I guessed, or it has been happening, right? So anticipating a reversal next week, because what, from my backtesting knowledge and data, I've seen that once Thursday forms the low of the week, Friday forms the high, the next week is what's going to be a reversal. So let's watch out for this week and see how the price moves. So once again, thank you all for watching this YouTube video. I really love you, I appreciate it. So do well to like, subscribe and share this YouTube video, okay? And bye bye.